Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of personal finance and wealth building strategies. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: passive income, how to earn money through investments, rental properties, and other means. Number 1. Understanding passive income. Let's begin by gaining a solid understanding of what passive income truly entails. Unlike active income, which requires consistent effort and time, passive income involves earning money with minimal day-to-day involvement. It's like planting seeds that grow into financial trees, continuously bearing fruits while you focus on other endeavors. Number 2. Investing wisely. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income is through wise investments. We'll delve into various investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and index funds. Discover how these vehicles can offer steady streams of passive income, allowing your money to work for you. Number 3. Real estate rental income. Real estate is a powerful asset class for building passive income. We'll explore the ins and outs of real estate investing, from purchasing rental properties to managing tenants and optimizing rental income. Learn the essential tips and tricks to become a successful real estate investor. Number 4. Dividend and interest income. Earning dividends from stocks and interest from various financial instruments is another fantastic way to generate passive income. We'll explain the concept of dividend stocks and how to build a diversified portfolio that yields reliable cash flow. Additionally, discover how high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDS, and peer-to-peer lending platforms can further contribute to your passive income stream. Number 5. Creating digital products. In the digital age, creating and selling digital products has become a lucrative source of passive income. We'll explore various types of digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, software, and downloadable content. Find out how you can monetize your expertise and creativity to reach a global audience. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products and services from other companies. We'll guide you through the basics of affiliate marketing, selecting the right products, and employing effective marketing strategies to boost your earnings. Number 7. Building online courses. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products and services from other companies. We'll guide you through the basics of affiliate marketing, selecting the right products, and employing effective marketing strategies to boost your earnings. Number 8. Royalties and licensing. For creative individuals, generating passive income through royalties and licensing can be exceptionally rewarding. Whether you're an author, musician, photographer, or software developer, we'll show you how to protect your intellectual property and monetize it through licensing agreements. Number 9. The power of e-commerce. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we do business. We'll explore the world of online selling. From setting up an e-commerce store to leveraging platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify to reach a broad customer base and create passive income through product sales. Number 10. Network marketing. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, MLM, can be a polarizing topic. But it has provided many people with sustainable passive income streams. We'll discuss how network marketing works, the importance of choosing reputable companies, and tips for success in this industry. Congratulations! You've now gained valuable insights into various passive income streams. Remember, building multiple sources of passive income takes time, dedication, and strategic planning. Start taking action today to secure your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, take care, and happy wealth building.